Alright guys, you already know it's your team M3E squad. What's going on? Right now we're heading to McDonald's or wherever they have the chicken nuggets. You probably already know by the thumbnail. We're doing the 100 pieces of chicken nuggets challenge. Alright, so stay tuned. Stick with us, okay? See ya. Hello. Knock knock. Hi. Do you have any? Do you have Big Mac or double Big Mac?
Well, we do have a Big Mac, yes.
You don't have any double Big Mac? No.
You got like one sandwich, like a double Big Mac?
Yeah.
No, we don't.
All right. Well, let me just get two Big Mac and the 100 pieces of nuggets that I ordered, pre-ordered.
Yeah, sorry, what was the last one?
I'm the one who called for the chicken nuggets.
Oh, you called in for chicken nuggets?
Yeah, the 100 pieces.
Oh, 100 pieces, okay. Yeah, 1 second. Well, what sauce would you like?
Just mix it up, please.
Just mix it up?
Yep.
Alright, 1 second. Anything else?
No, that's it, unless you're gonna give me a discount.
Okay, go ahead, hold up to the first window.
Thank you.
2 Big Macs and 100 nuggets.
You gotta give me a special price on that?
Oh no, it's a lot of nuggets.
I know.
Something special going on?
Yeah, just for fun.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
There you go. Have a
Thank
good
you.
one.
All right.
Nuggets.
All right, thanks. I was gonna ask if they have any complimentary ice cream. And Big Mac is also in here. Cool.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another day, another challenge, and today we are doing the 100 Chicken Nugget Challenge.
Before you continue, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your post notifications. And like this video, because you know there's going to be a banger.
Yeah! But we should get 100 subscribers for eating 100 chicken nuggets.
Okay, I
And
like
today,
that.
we have a special guest named Son.
Okay.
All right, looks like we have a special guest today, and we have D-So-Son in the house. Thank you so much, D-So-Son, for being part of this M3E squad team. Why don't you scoot in a little bit so we can get started? Come on, don't be shy. Move in, so we can get that ugly background out of the frame. All right. Okay, so guys, so here's what's gonna happen right now. So obviously we are doing the 100 pieces of chicken nuggets challenge today, and if you see on the side, on both sides, we actually have 2 Big Mac. It's a little bit of a different flavor right now because we have the chicken nuggets, and of course we have D-So-Son and your boy Rawson and your boy Elston. They'll be doing the chicken nuggets challenge, and it'll be in 10 minutes. They'll be
For men that are already married,
Uh-huh.
take on the Big Mac.
Okay, and the Big Mac we have Willie
For
Anter
the
on
big
the left.
boys.
All right, and we have Mars on the right. So
Yeah, just going down.
these two guys will be eating the Big Mac on the side just for fun. Let's just say for fun.
We're gonna
All right.
race.
Well,
Yeah.
they're gonna race.
It's gonna,
So
it's gonna be a
uh,
10-minute race.
without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
It'll be a 10-minute race.
Yes, you'll be racing against 10 minutes. All right, so let's get kicking, and you have all the sauce right there. So whichever you want, go ahead and pick them out and see which ones you like. All right.
Before we get started, let me pray first. God, can you please help us? Can you please help the homeless people and sick people? And thank you for this beautiful day. And can you please bless our food? And thank you for letting us have fun with our YouTube channel. And do you pray? Amen.
Amen. All right, so let's do the countdown. Mars, get ready,
Yeah.
and you two get ready on your burgers.
3, 2, 1.
All right, what are you two waiting for?
What?
What are you waiting for? Come on,
Oh.
dig in. You said you're gonna race. Oh my goodness. Oh man, you guys are making me hungry. I want to eat. That's alright. Go ahead. Did you start the time? Okay. You have your drink right there if you wanna. Wow, looks like Willianter is it's almost done with his. Don't choke on your food, okay?
I don't have them.
Oh, he did not come prepared.
This one's good.
Oh, Willianter won.
What?
Woo.
Wait, how many minutes? Wait. Pass this one. Yeah. How many minutes?
7.5.
What, Tisonson? Are you full? Are you full? You want a drink? Okay, Mars, come on. Careful.
Of 2017. This is so. What's up? The
Got my
snow?
napkins.
Anyone have this? Yeah, right now.
6 minutes.
Okay, so we have 6 minutes.
Fine. I'm gonna drink.
Come on, guys.
There.
Woo. This is very exciting. Let's see if these guys can really finish this up. to 4 minutes. You gotta feed your baby right there. No, that baby in that corner. Yeah. These guys are slowing down. They are getting to that point where they're just so stuffed and I don't know if they can make it. Fill up your water, your drink.
I know.
Don't force yourself, guys. Don't force yourself.
Actually, this one too. This one.
That's Sprite, right? The Sprite is still in my stomach. Eat this one.
Hey, 1 minute and 30 seconds.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
They got big L.
Let me know when it's on 30 seconds so we can do the countdown.
It was like a tie.
It's so good, but you're full.
Oh! 2 seconds.
No.
Let me know when it's 30 seconds.
It's at 50.
50.
It's at 50.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
7 or 5.
Don't.
Hey, no cheating.
It's okay, guys. Don't force yourself, okay?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay.
Brett, keep dropping.
At the ending, I'm there.
We're,
19.
we're coming down to the stopping time.
That's why you're just going.
Let me know when it's 15 seconds.
Oh, it's 10.
9, 8, 7, 6,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay, stop it. No more eating. No more eating. All right, so let's see.
Guys, we're finished with the challenge. We didn't beat it, and we're really full. And comment down below what you want us to do in the next video, and subscribe to my channel if you didn't. And shout out to Diaz and Isaac and Max up in Idaho for subscribing to our channel.
All right, thanks guys for subscribing, and hope to see you guys and continue to follow us in the next video. So who else have any shout out? Okay, let's go with you, Tiso-san.
I like to shout out to my family
Just your family? What about your sister and your mom and dad? Who's your sister? The one that's been wanting to have a shout out on this YouTube channel.
Mia.
All right, so Karamia. Shout out to Karamia. So now that you're on our YouTube channel, make sure to go and tell all your families from Sapuk and everybody, your your auntie, your uncles, and their friends and their girlfriends and boyfriends and teachers and whatever. Tell them to all subscribe to our M3E channel. What about you, Williancer? Do you have anything? Do you have any shout out?
Oh no, I don't have any shout outs at this moment.
Okay.
Can you try your best?
What about you, Elston, looks like you have one. You have a shout out. You don't know? All right. So what about you?
A shout out to Sprite for helping us through this challenge.
Right, it's McDonald's.
Yeah, hiccups.
All right. What about you, Rossin? Do you have any shout out?
To my family and my sister named Fama and Celine.
Okay.
And Sina too.
Who? Sinai? Okay. Okay. What about you, Mars? Do you have anything?
No.
No? What about you, back in that corner? Does he know how to talk?
No.
Oh, no, no.
He can't.
Huh?
He's blind, so he cannot hear you.
Oh, he's blind, so he cannot hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. So he's blind, he cannot hear me. Oh, wow.
That's right.
That's weird. All right, come on, guys. Let's close the video right now. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and once again, and we hope to see you folks again on the next video. And I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button on the bottom, and make sure to tell your friends and family to all subscribe. If you liked this video, like this video. If you don't like this video, just like this video. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yay.